Okay, dear students, now we will move to fourth main, that is choose the correct option, justify your choice. First one, 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a is equal to option A 1, option B 9, option C 8, option D 0. Okay, see here. First one, solution. First one, 9 sec square a given, you take it down, 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. Okay, see here, this implies what we are having common thing here, 9, take it outside, this is equals to take out 9 common, what we left inside here, sec square a minus tan square a. Okay, yes, by using trigonometric identity, that is 1 plus tan square a is equals to sec square a with the help of trigonometric identity. Yes, now what we are having are sec square a minus tan square a we are having. Okay, now 1 is equals to sec square a minus tan square a, which is equals to 1. Okay, with the help of this identity we will get it as 1. Okay, 9 into 1, because sec square a minus tan square a is equals to 1, therefore 9 into 1 is 9, hence option B is the correct answer. Okay, second one, that is 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta is equal to option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, option D minus 1. Okay, yes, solution. Second one, write down the given thing, that is factor 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Okay, yes, we will write sin in terms of sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay, next sec theta, it is the reciprocal of cos theta, like that. This is equals to 1 plus tan theta may be written as sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay, because it is the quotient by quotient relation, plus sec theta by reciprocal relation, that is 1 divided by cos theta. Okay, sec theta, it is the reciprocal of cos theta. Next, 1 plus cot theta, it is the reciprocal of tan theta, that is cos theta divided by sin theta minus cosec theta by reciprocal relation, which is equal minus cosec theta 1 divided by sin theta. Okay, now taking LCM here, what will get see here, 1 into cos theta, that is cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 whole divided by cos theta, because we are having LCM as cos theta. Yes, here LCM what we are having, see, sin theta we are having. Okay, sin theta, here 1 into sin theta is sin theta plus, already here divided by sin theta it is there, now 1 into cos theta is cos theta minus 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, yes, now multiplication operation it is there. Okay, multiply means what you will get, see here, cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 into sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 whole divided by cos theta into sin theta, or else you can write direct here cos theta into sin theta. Dear students, look at this side, that is cos theta plus sin theta. Here sin theta plus cos theta, we can consider it as a, we can consider it as a here. See here, plus 1, here minus 1. We can write it in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Why? Because by algebraic identity, that is because a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. By using this identity, we may write this in the form of cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 square, okay, whole divided by cos theta into sin theta. Okay, now cos theta plus sin theta whole square, it is of the form a plus b whole square, which is nothing but what, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, we write it in the form of a plus b whole square, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1 whole square is minus 1. Okay, whole divided by cos theta into sin theta, cos theta into sin theta. Okay, with the help of numerator, see here first two terms, cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is nothing but what, 1, because by identity. Okay, plus 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1 whole divided by cos theta into sin theta. Okay, you have to write here by using identity, that is trigonometric identity, cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay, plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled, we left with 2 sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. See here, numerator sin theta and denominator sin theta will get cancelled, numerator cos theta, denominator cos theta will get cancelled, we left with 2. Okay, therefore option C is your answer. Then now we will solve third one, that is sec a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a is equal to, first option, that is option A sec a, option B sin a, option C cosec a, option D cos a. Okay, solution. See here, given, write down the given terms, sec a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a. Okay, yes, we will write sec a in terms of or we by using the reciprocal relation, sec a may be written as 1 divided by cos a, okay, plus tan a may be written as by quotient relation sin a divided by cos a, understood? Yes, into 1 minus sin a, as it is you have to write. Now see here, in the denominator cos a, therefore LCM will be cos a. What we left in the numerator, that is 1 plus sin a divided by cos a into 1 minus sin a. Okay, yes, 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a by a plus b, by the identity, algebraic identity, a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. What will get? That is 1 plus, that is 1 square minus sin a square whole divided by cos A. Okay, this may be written as 1 minus sin square A divided by cos A. Okay, yes, 1 minus sin square A is nothing but what? 1 minus sin square A. See here, 1 minus sin square A is equals to cos square A. Why? Because by trigonometric first identity. Okay, by first trigonometric identity, that is cos square A plus sin square A is equals to 1. Transpose sin square to that side means cos square A is equals to 1 minus sin square A. Now put the value 1 minus sin square is equals to as cos square A whole divided by cos A. 1 cos A from the numerator and denominator cos A will get cancelled. We left with only cos A. Therefore